guys, welcome to my scrappiness.
Hey guys, it's Marissa again. I hope everyone's doing well and that you're all staying safe. We are here to work on a very simple layout again, guys. This is the first layout for our mini kit Monday for August. So I put together some items here that we're going to use. The first thing that I have here is an Echo Park designer dies, and this is Lindsay lowercase alphabet die set. I'm not sure if this is still available, but this is what it looks like. It's scripty, and I just pulled it out of the plastic, and it's still new, haven't been used, so I'm going to use that. Then we're gonna maybe take some of the stickers from this sticker sheet from Tuesday morning. This is a Momenta sticker sheet. Then I have some pictures here. Actually, there's a third one, but there it is. And we're going to actually scrapbook this. This is in Mexico. This is a blowhole, basically. It's the La Bufadora. I hope I didn't butcher the pronunciation there. Anyway, this is what we're going to scrapbook. These are the papers we're going to use. I'm going to use this white cardstock here to be the base, and then I'm going to use this pattern paper, this one, and then we're gonna make titles out of it using the dies from Echo Park. So without further ado, I'm gonna put this on the side so it won't get dirty. We're gonna cut some dies. Okay guys, I was able to, took me a while, but I was able to cut this apart using my wire cutter, and I also brought out my marquee here. Let me show you real quick a folder that I've had that is like dead. I can't use it anymore. It's not even going in here anymore, but it's been well loved, well used. So you will know when your folder is no longer serviceable, if you will, if you know it's going to be difficult to put in here as already. So this one's going to go to the trash, which I just did. And of course, you know, since I was needing to cut up a lot of the letters or a lot of the items that I had to do, I went ahead and also started using this one. It's also a little warpy, but let's see if it still will work for us this time. So I just checked in Wikipedia. It's actually La Bufadora, and here I was saying La Bufadora. It's La Bufadora. So let's go ahead and start cutting the letters. So if you're new to die cutting, the cut part is actually where the blades are, and the blades are right there. And obviously this is going to have to go down facing the paper so that it could cut it. And there are our letters, and I need 2 A's. So I need another A. Let me find my A again, and then have to cut another A. Let me cut this down. Need another A, and we'll do this twice because we need 2 A's. Okay guys, let's trim our pictures. I'm gonna cut this picture down to 4 inches. Alright, so we're getting ready here to finish up our very simple layout. So I'm going to cut about 3 inches off of this. And then I'm going to cut out about 1 inch off of this. Then off of this, I'm going to cut out about 3 inches, guys. And then I'm going to cut out maybe, I'm thinking here, about 1 inch off of this side. This ends up to be 11 by 9. And then this is 3 by 11. So I'm going to dovetail this, maybe putting up about 3/4 of an inch up. And then I'm gonna go turn it over because the print is a little busy for me and I won't be able to see it. But anyway, I'm going to cut up an angle and do the same thing on this side. And then on the other end, I'll do the same thing, about 3/4 of an inch up. Guess what, guys? We're almost done. All I have to do now is put this down. So we'll put it over here, center it up. Putting a lot of adhesive here, guys, because this is going to be like the anchor for this layout. Okay, and then we're going to put this over here. Now we're going to put our photos. I'm going to put this over here. It's going to play with the photos right now. It's going to be an easy layout, guys. Very, very easy. So I'm leaving about, oh dear. Here I go again with lifting, right? Let me move this out of the way. I want about 1/4 inch on the left and the top, the right and the top portion of the, and I'm just eyeballing it. And I'm gonna do the same for this. And make sure that the orientation of the picture is right. And I'm just gonna put about the same amount down here, following it through. And then let's do the same with this one. So basically the water goes in there and there's a hole, and then it pushes the water up and it creates this mist. We also have this in Hawaii, pretty interesting. Some people call it toilet bowl. So we're almost there, guys. All we have to do now is work on our title and some of the items here. La Bufadora. How cool. All right, let's go ahead and commit this, and I am going to use my wet adhesive here. We went a little over, but it's okay. Now I'm going to need the sticker. Put some stickers on here and add a little color aside from just the blue and the white. I really like this. The ocean is calling. And I'm gonna put that over here. I'm thinking down by the sea over here. And then I think we'll just put the down by the sea over here under the Bufadora. Okay, I think I'm gonna stop right now, but and then I'll just put the heart over there. I hope you like this very, very simple layout, guys. The most difficult part was putting together the title and cutting the dice, but other than that, you know, it was very relaxing for me, at least, putting this together, putting the dice together, and just having my own title for the color that I wanted. I hope you guys like this layout, and if you do, could you please give me a thumbs up? And while you're at it, I'd like you to please consider joining us and subscribing to my channel. We're trying to grow our family. So while you're at it and subscribing, hit on the notification bell button so that you'll be notified of my future uploads. This is my first layout for the mini kit Monday for the month of August. So watch out for my other kits or the mother layouts that are coming up soon in the next few days. So that's it for now. I'll catch you guys later and please be safe. Bye.